Probably supposed to. Alright, everybody, we're back up here at the stone shelter. Just checking out. I know I've been up here before, but checking out in the fog. Seems to be a little cool. Yesterday we was above the fog, so I don't know about the day. Get out of the road. Well, I don't think we're above the clouds. I think we're in the clouds up here, so.
We're not.
Yeah, we are. We are. What are you doing? Don't trip over that curb.
I don't shit and I don't.
Stop running. Stop.
Why?
Because you are an unstable little individual that falls all over the place.
Okay.
Still a pretty cool effect up here, though, with the fog like it is.
Let's keep on walking our journey.
Yeah, yesterday when I was up here, it was above the clouds, which gives a real cool effect. Hold up. Stop. Watch where you're going. It's actually kind of cool how there's this little gap right here in the fog.
Hey, there's people over there.
Yeah, there is. Yeah, let's go check out the stone shelter. Come on. Come on. Don't be playing on the edge. Oh, yeah?
You're leaving?
No, we're not leaving.
Are the same here?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Where are we going? Hiking?
Yeah. You need to stop running. Come here. Let me see something.
Why?
You've been messing with that cat again. What did I tell you about that?
I just been... Yeah, yeah. What was that? Fuck your kids.
Stop cussing. Oh yeah, it's beautiful out here when it's foggy up here. To the stone shelter.
What's a stone shelter have?
It's just a stone shelter.
Stone shelters have all kinds of stuff.
Yeah.
And even cool. Hey, what's this, Daddy?
That's where water runs down.
Oh my God, Daddy!
Just love the way the fog moves around down there. Probably be really foggy at the stone shelter. Probably be really foggy at the stone shelter. And also what?
We want to try cars on tables.
Yeah?
On chairs.
Really?
Yeah. No. Why we just see the on try. And on your computer. That's such a cheap idea. This way.
Let's go this way.
Look at the cock.
crazy once you get to this side of the area here, the parking lot. Oh, it's always real windy. It's like rain, isn't it, Josh?
That's how it says.
It says Whispering Spruce Trail and the Amanda Trail. So we're going this way.
It says Amanda Trail?
Yeah, that's the Amanda Trail.
Why?
I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know why. That's what they named it, Josh.
Then what's the fences?
The what?
What's the fences?
The fences? I don't know. There's no fences.
And there's a chopped down tree there.
Yeah, there is a chopped down tree. Or it probably fell and they just cut it down. I don't know if y'all can see it, but that fog moving through. Get away from the edge, please. Yeah. There is a log right there.
Hey, she's up ahead.
Yeah, it's the stone shelter.
Yeah, I see it. Maybe we win.
Maybe.
I guess we win.
What do we win against?
We win against the shelter.
How do we win? We wasn't even racing anybody or anything.
It was just
But watch it. Josh, stop. Watch where you're going. You are reckless.
What's this place?
It's the stone shelter.
What are they?
I don't know.
Are they pipes?
Yeah, there's probably a sign or something there.
That's just the place we was at?
Yeah.
This is the place we was at? It says the trail we walk through?
Yeah, it is. There's what? We will. Give me a second. Yeah, I love this fog effect up here. So that's the whole reason I came back to this place again. Josh, stop. Okay? Stop.
What?
Because you was about to just go up there all willy-nilly and stuff. Just don't do it, okay?
Look at the cars crossing that bridge.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8.
Yeah. Yeah, so I figured that's why I come back up here for another video, just to catch it on a foggy day. I always think it looks beautiful. I guess that's it. Guys, like the video, like, subscribe, do whatever it is you do, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one.